Hello, everyone. This is Ayush Patel from Infini Institute of Program Management. Right now, I'm pursuing post-graduation diploma in construction management. So, when I have joined this course, I came to know about what are the things required for the competency in civil engineering. So, after joining this course, I found how character and competency both lies together to be successful in life. So where character stops, competencies also stops. So if we talk about the whole syllabus, after joining this syllabus course, the well organized syllabus from foundation to the specialization process. Right now we have done with the level 1 and the foundation. In foundation we have gone through the different aspects which are related to the construction processes, in which we have gone through the estimation and costing part, which is required to become a competent civil engineer, and Microsoft project planning, along with various soft skills process, in which we have gone through the corporate life skill parts in creative learning session. In creative learning session, we discussed about how we can resolve the conflict which is to be faced during the process of execution and on site. Various things we have gone through the yoga in a systematic approach. This is a well defined course. According to me, I have improved a lot after joining this course. And in level 1, we have completed with the international FIDIC contract document, which is the most important part, which is right now using in the India in NHI projects and national highway and state highway projects. And along with this, Primavera, the most important planning software, we have done with this. And if we talk about the soft skills, so after joining this, the tremendous level of presentation has increases to a higher level, and we are smart enough to present in a well defined manner now. So if overall I would like to conclude with it, it is a best course which is for the graduate civil engineer, and I am very happy after joining this course. Right now I am selected for the internship in Gulf country called Oman in HVAC Aspire Gulfar. So overall I am very more than satisfied with this course. In continuation with that, I want to add some points and add some values to this. So I have got selected for the internship in Gulf country. So basically what the thing required is your soft skills, your competency in civil knowledge areas and management knowledge areas. So this is the most happening part. After joining this course, you will realize that you are capable of doing anything, any work. So when I got selected in the internship in the Gulf country called Oman, so I am very happy. All the allowances, even tickets and the accommodation part is taken by the company. So no burden, no pressure of job is there. So most important facet is to develop yourself, and most crucial part is to develop yourself and enhance your quality and performance. Along with the competency, intrinsic quality is what we are having. So we have to come up with those qualities. There is no job crisis as I am seeing after joining this course. There is only skill crisis, or definitely after joining this, your character and competency both increases together. So best of luck, and I'll definitely suggest you. I am very happy and relaxed after joining this course. So I would like to conclude this with point. Thank you.